Corey here with Wisdify, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to highlight duplicates in Excel. Fortunately, Excel makes it nice and easy. Let's start by taking a look here at our sample data of customers. You'll see we've got name, email, phone number, and then transaction number field. Some customers may be in this data twice if they've bought from our business more than once. Hence, they'll have a unique transaction number, but their name, email, and phone number would be duplicated. We want to highlight the duplicates so that we can quickly identify them, see how many duplicate or repeat customers we have, and take action from there. So let's start by selecting column A, which is the name. You could do this by email or phone number. In some cases, that may be better because you might have customers that have very similar or the same names, but a unique phone number. But for the sake of demonstration here, we're just going to work from the name, right? So we're going to select column A, which is the name field, and then come right here to conditional formatting. Make sure your home tab is selected up here. You're not on draw or page layout, right? If you're up here, you won't see it, but start from home, go to conditional formatting, and then highlight cell rules and duplicate values. It'll ask what you want to do with them, right? Or what you want to show as the highlight. And we're just going to leave it as light red fill with dark red text, but well, you could do something else. I guess we'll change it, go yellow fill with dark yellow text, select OK, and boom, all of the names that are duplicated, you can see right there. They are highlighted. So on that note, guys, real quick here, if you would like to learn more about Excel, particularly for the accounting and finance space, over at Wisdify, we have an awesome free course that is valid for 5 CPE credits. You can Google Wisdify free Excel CPE right here. Click on the first listing, which will take you to our website, and then click right here. Please click here to access for free. Don't click on Get Started or Take This Course. That'll take you to a payment page fundamentally, but if you click here to get it for free, just like so, it will add it to your cart for free, and then you can proceed to checkout. You won't have to put in your credit card information. You can access the course, which is valid for 5 CPE credits recognized by NASBA. So if you are a United States CPE, CPA, or an accountant in either country that recognizes NASBA CPEs, you can take advantage of that. On that note, I hope you found this video helpful and insightful. I'm calling it a wrap and signing off.